All right, here we go. These are Daddy's prized sweet potatoes.
I've never gotten much anything out of it. I have a whole bunch of vines, but not any appreciable sweet potatoes.
Well, we did what you told us to. We cut them into some little chunks and just buried them in the ground.
Well, they sure sprouted.
Yeah, you probably need to use your hands to pull the vines away, Randy.
Okay, stand and watch. Oh, I see something. Back towards you, right where the tines are now. I saw one.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
There they are.
It's huge.
Look.
Reed, come check it out.
Look. I'm impressed. Mine didn't do that.
Wow, Daddy.
Yes. Daddy's a farmer now.
We're going to press you into service next year. Look, there's a third one back there.
Yeah, there's one right here.
Oh.
Wow.
Yay!
What a bountiful harvest.
Hey,
Those are good ones. Yes, sweetie.
I want to sit on your leg
Yeah.
like Allie.
Okay, let me try it.
Oh, sweet. That looks beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! Oh.
There's
Hold
a
on.
little one. That's kind of like a fingerling potato. That's what they call that little one.
Allie, is this
Baba,
cool?
Yeah, watch your little face, Baba. I don't want Daddy to accidentally hit you. Ooh, look at them. They're spread all over.
These were 2 sweet potatoes that we cut into
Watch
thirds.
your face, sweet girl.
Okay, Randy, can you pull the vines out? I can't see anything.
Get them over foot.
Another one.
Daddy's head is right in front of Allie.
Look how they were all. They were
Oh,
snug
man.
One?
There's a tiny baby one.
There's your baby one.
You want to hold that one?
It's a potato.
Hold it.
Potato.
I'm not afraid.
So that's
You want to hold it?
That's just that spot right there.
Randy, can you hand that little one to Reed?
You want to hold that one?
I'm not scared.
No, it's food.
You have to move on.
Yeah, I
I
know.
don't want it.
Oh no.
Hey, we don't throw it. That's food.
Look, there's some more.
All right, I'm going to change